Hey there, welcome back to Blender Express. Today we are going to learn about how to create an array of objects along curve with and without distortion. Here I am using Blender 4.0, but it's not a problem to use a lower version. First, let's start with pressing Shift A and add a circle. Scale it a little bit by Shift S. Then add a cube. Next go to modifier and generate an array with an increased count to fit your circle. Give it a little offset to separate the cube. To make the cube follow along the curve, let's add curve modifier. Choose our Bezier circle as curve object. Now our arrayed object is placed along the circle. We can increase or decrease array count as we want. From the top view, we can see our objects along the circle with distortion effect. Let's scale down the circle so that we can see clearly the distortion affecting our object. Okay, let's put it aside for comparison later. Now add again circle and cube. But this time, add plane together with it. Select the cube first and Shift select plane. Press Ctrl P and set parent to object. Then, select plane only and generate array. Add some count and offset to separate it. Then add curve modifier and set circle as curve object. Go to Object Properties tab and find Instancing, click Faces. The planes and cubes now arrayed along curve. As we can see, only plane being distorted, but not the cubes. The planes can be hidden by unchecking the viewport and render box under Show Deinstancer tab. After that, hide the center cube. Finally, we can see the difference between these two methods of array along curve. I hope that this video is helpful, and please like, share and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you, see you in the next video.